Florida's climate is destroying your HVAC. Here's how to stop it. Florida is one of the hardest climates on HVAC systems in the entire country, and most St. Pete homeowners don't find out until something breaks. Year-round heat, constant humidity, salt air from the coast, your system faces conditions that wear it down faster than almost anywhere else. Here's what Florida's climate does to your HVAC, and how to fight back. Constant system runtime means filters clog faster. Change them every 30 to 60 days. Humidity causes condensate drain lines to clog, leading to water leaks and mold growth inside your system. Salt air accelerates corrosion on outdoor condenser coils, reducing efficiency and lifespan. Moisture buildup in ductwork creates the perfect environment for mold and allergens. And aging units struggling in the heat draw more power, showing up directly on your energy bill. The solution isn't waiting for a breakdown. It's 2 professional maintenance visits per year before problems compound. The Service Pros specializes in Florida HVAC, built for coastal conditions, available 24/7. Get your free estimate at theservicepros.com.